Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I usually swipe with a wet cloth. And I do actually have a wet cloth handy, so if all goes very sideways, I will go ahead and do that after I do what I'm going to do, which is going to be hopefully an acetate swipe. In the meantime, it's good to shake your bottles. I want to mix my magentas with some gold. And I think I'm going to just take advantage of the fact that I have an OXO omelet turning spatula and use it to put that nice puddle down there. Bring it right up to the magenta. Scrape it off. Best paint spreading tool around, really and seriously. I am going to use a black enamel as a swipe color. I'm not doing anything ghosty from the middle. I do kind of want to bring all that up there and let it fall into each other. I think I'm going to just scrape this off right now. I don't mind if these mix. I don't mind if they make one gorgeous color, which they probably will. I probably have a little more paint than I need, but I don't think I have so much that I'd call it too much. We'll find out in a minute, and if it's nice paint, I'll just put it in my leftovers dish and try and use those. Maybe there'll be another special end of the day 8 by 10 miracle, which does happen. I like mixing those three colors. They're beautiful together. I'm going to let my finger, I'm going to take my spatula and let a little bit of the residual that's on there run right down over the edge. Tap it on with my finger. Dip it in again. I'm going to have to cover my gold sides later, I guess. Alright, so here goes nothing. Not sure what I'm going to get. I haven't done anything quite exactly like this yet. I'm tempted to just stick my finger in there so I get no holes. This is, like I said, the black enamel, and I'm going to do what I usually do. I'm just going to nudge that toward the edge. And if along the way this turns into something else, you'll understand that's my MO. If I don't like how things are going, I'm going to be flexible. And I don't mind blowing that so it fills that area at all. Now what, she says. I have a round front swipe card that I'm not going to use the round front on. What am I going to do? I think this is going to work well, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to dip it in there first. And then I'm going to cover my end. Now I've got gold on there still, and I want to try it. Oh boy, maybe I shouldn't yet. I'm just going to scrape that right off into my leftovers dish. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, under Show More, under the video. And my hands are going to be completely covered with paint today. But I don't think I mind right now. I'm going to grab a little bit more of this. Go right down the edge. Tap it off on the bottom. Alright, so that's pretty neat, and I like it a lot, and I'm going to try and do it again. Cool. One more try, and I ought to be just about done. Good experiment. I've got paint on this swipe card that I can actually put right on my edges, and because there's all those colors are in there, it's probably going to blend really, really well. That was not part of the plan. So I want to go back up to the top and use, what can I do? I just screwed up. I just tapped right in there, and I'm going to do it again. And I guess I'm just going to keep following suit so it's even all the way across. And if I get a little gold at the top, so be it. Alright, so that's sort of kind of interesting. I think I liked it before I screwed it up, but it's still got some great colors in there. If I don't hold this up too long, I'm probably not going to endanger it too much with tipping sideways. So now I can see what I've got and I love about it, and basically I have this other color that I love. And in my mind, there's no reason not to play. Playing includes all kinds of things. And I don't usually use my fingers in the major portion of the artwork, but right at the moment, that seems to be what I want to do. I don't like that being split in half, and I'm going to do something about it right now. And I'm going to grab some of that. Am I? Maybe I'm not. Pink enamel. And then I'm going to look for a card that is the right width. I think I'm going to use some enamel again. Necessity being the mother of invention. I'm going to drag that up and push it down so I make it a more organic line and less straight. Still so straight in the middle. I like a lot about that, but it's not how straight it is. I thought this was going to be simple. I really, really did. I don't usually split things down the middle. I need an edge catcher. There we go. I wonder where that beautiful iridescent blue is I want. But this purple will turn out to be blue too. Because it's a color shifting folk art. Purple. Well, there's a lot to like about this. But for some reason I am fussing with it like a... And I keep doing stuff like that. That's a little better. I'm liking that a lot better. I'm wondering where that blue is and what it would do if I put some in there. I used to put spirals in the middle of things, and I could do that again very easily. It's been a long time. Oh, I missed one. Well, I thought for a minute I wasn't going to like them when I blew them out, but I like them better. I just wonder if a couple more dots would help. I got the painty end of the straw again. I don't like that. That's actually pretty cool. Since I melded my colors, I can go back in there and spiral them out again and have more variety. It's been a long time since I did a swipe anything like this. Maybe never. I heard that. So I've got a few, I've got a few streamers. And I don't know how they'll look when they dry. For some reason, I'm just totally complicating things today. I'm pretty sure that those will fill in somewhat. Be less in-your-face scrapings. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, that's pretty dramatic, and for some reason it's giving me this really super Victorian vibe. And I don't usually do my swipes so that they meet in the middle, but I think I'm going to love it tomorrow, and I'm hoping I'm right. And I'll be covering my edges for a few minutes with whatever I can find. There's not much that needs to be covered. I love you guys. There's pretty much as close to 86,000 as needs to be for me to say almost 86,000 again subscribers. If you guys want to help me out, please watch the videos longer. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you've left me so far to keep my morale up. I think they help too. I love you guys dearly. Please share my videos if you are inclined. And shop my Amazon list. The link is under show more under the video. If you're inclined, that will at no added cost to you help me out. And you can buy anything from there and it will help me out a little bit. And a little bit eventually adds up to something that counts. So I appreciate that. You can look for my books called I keep doing the same thing. Because I Can is one, and Unlimited Possibilities is the other one. And I know I have some, there we go, some paint to cover that spot I'm being bothered by. But I can find it afterwards too. So y'all take care. Check your notifications. Check that your subscription is on. Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, where you can find tomorrow's video posted a lot of times. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, if you want to check out what I've been putting on Fine Art America and Pixels.com since 2013. Or, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is not what I'm trying to say. Fans and Collectors is where I have been posting these so far edited YouTube artworks. Sorry I'm tongue tripping today. Teespring is clothing underneath the video and other household goods and tapestries and blankets. And there are all over print t-shirts and leggings there. If you go check that out, you might be surprised by what you find. I saw a little what looked like canvas, and I think I'd rather have some pink in there. So this taught me a lot of things, and I'm so glad you guys joined me. Thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting. Look for the drawing on the exhibition video, on the end screens of any video, to see what the monthly prizes are for anybody who contributes $10 or more to keep the studio rolling through PayPal or Patreon. Icons are underneath the video and also on my channel header. Well, actually, the links are under the video and the icons are on the header. Yes, I see canvas, and I'm not interested in keeping it. I love you guys so much. I give lessons at the house and I sell my artwork. And should you want the email to get in touch with me, please use EASPB, the word gallery, at gmail.com. It's right under the video. You can find it there easily. Bye for now. I love you. This is Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I just always feel like I'm saying too much. But that's, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Take care now. Bye for now. We'll see you soon. I'm going to even try and zoom in. I might do a simpler one. Gosh, I hope so. Much simpler.